Here we divide 635 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 5 and it is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 635 divided by 5 is 127. So this much for today and thanks for watching.